Today, we'll be talking about how to build your career in the food industry. Being a veteran in the food industry with over 45 years of experience, a lot of students and a lot of children's parents come to me and ask me how to build a career in the food industry. Firstly, choose the area of expertise. What is your liking? In the food industry, there are many verticals. Choose a vertical that is of your interest, that will take you further. You can choose between something like manufacturing, quality assurance, quality control, product development, etc., etc. And there's so many verticals that are available. Firstly, please find out what is it that you like. What is it that you would like to do? Pick the field and we work from there onwards. You need to then find out whether your qualification is in line with what the expertise that you would like to build upon. Most of the times, just a BTech degree does not suffice and does not take you further in your career. So add on qualifications. I've been teaching at these colleges which are offering masters in business administration with food, pharmaceutical, agriculture, etc. This will add on. This opens new verticals, verticals like sales, marketing, finance, etc., which will help you develop your careers further. Sometimes even these qualifications are not enough. Then what do we need to do? For example, if you're looking at building a career in regulatory compliances, today this one very much upcoming field. Regulations are updated every now and then. The world over, regulations are changing by the day. So you need to pick up these and you need to study regulations within the country, like the FSAI requirements and export requirements, where we meet the requirements of various importing countries. This is where I think there's no course offerings. So you need to go and learn these skills on your own. Once you've learned these basic skills, you don't have to be satisfied. You need to keep updating and learning all the time. Today's world, the trends and technologies are changing by the day, and you have to be updated with the latest that is happening the world over. For this, you have to be able to read all the time, keep learning, keep watching videos, keep watching what are the trends that is happening, and you have to be updated to grow in the industry. How do you keep learning all the time? I mean, a lot of people, I take on at least 8 to 10 trainees from colleges every year for my various factories all over. And the first thing that I tell them whenever I get an opportunity to speak to them is that you so far were paying your college fees to learn. So you were paying them to be learning. Now it's come a stage in life where you paid, but you're still not learned. You're still learning. So you're being paid to learn. The first 2 or 3 years of your life, you need to spend learning as much as you can. And if you don't learn it at this stage in life, you will never learn for the rest of your life. So start as early in the career to learn. In today's world of information, you have so many opportunities to learn. You can always look at seminars. You can look at webinars that are happening every day and pick up the ones that you are interested in, and you need to keep learning all the time. Today, at the age of 65 and 45 years of experience in the industry, I still keep learning every day. In today's world of social media and network, you need to form a network within the industry. Go and join various platforms where there's an opportunity to network and be there as part of various platforms which will help you not only interact with other people, rub shoulders with the best in the industry, and that will also help you to learn and grow further. The next thing that you need to do is personal branding. Today is the world of branding. I mean, everybody is talking on how to build your own brand. You need to be there on social media. You need to speak. You need to interact. There are a lot of interactive platforms that are there where you can go and share your views and the world can see you. This brand building will help you into building your career further. The last and the most important thing that you need to do while building a career is find good mentors for yourself. And I say mentors, not mentor, because one mentor is never going to help you to grow. First is you need to go and find a mentor for yourself. How do you go about finding a mentor? First is find your own needs. What is it that I need to look at? And in my previous videos, I was talking about how I learned accounting when I became a factory manager, when I knew nothing about it. And I went and found an accounts manager, and I asked him, why don't you become my guru? And I literally said that to him. And he jokingly said, at the end of it, I need a guru dakshina. And I said, I'm willing to give it to you, provided you teach me. And that's the hunger. That's the need. That's what draws you towards keep learning more and find mentors in various aspects. Now, this one mentor I used for learning accounts and finance is not going to help me into other areas. So you need to find mentors who will help you in your life, help you with your career, help you with gaining expertise. Choose multiple of them. You can't be relying on one. And what I see today is, when we talk of mentorship, a lot of kids think I need to have one good godfather there who's going to be there, giving me his blessings and make me grow. He's got a magic wand. It doesn't happen that way. You have to learn. And if you're willing to learn and you go to a mentor and you observe like a sponge, that's only when learning happens. I will speak about this in my future videos on how various mentors in my life helped me grow. But it is very important to have mentors, and it is one of the many things, the most important actually.